It's hammer time. Oh, yeah. Get ready for some hardcore hammer time. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Welcome to this episode of Hardcore Hammer Time. This episode, we hammering a rock band drum pedal, kick pedal. These also break easily, but I'll see how easy it breaks once again with a hammer. So we better get everything lined up. Okay. Alright. I'd say this is pretty hardcore. Hasn't busted. Damn it. God damn it. You. Sorry about that. This is looking pretty good, actually. It's one of the strongest things I've hit. This pedal is very strong. I never would have thought. It hasn't broke yet. It has not broken. Pretty strong pedal. We're gonna have to change that. Alright, I gotta figure out a way to get this to work. Alright. Oh, still alive? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I've been revealed. Took a while, but I think this piece of plastic is not hardcore.